How to find the auto brightness settings on your Android device. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to find the auto brightness setting on your Android device. So let's just jump right in. The very first thing you want to do here is swipe down, and then from here you can find your brightness control. So here it is. I have it right over here. Then all you have to do is tap on the three dots right beside it. It might be different depending on which device you have, but on a Samsung device you have something called adaptive brightness. All you have to do is just tap on it to turn it on, and then tap on done. You'll be good to go. If you don't find it there, you can go over to your settings and then find your display settings. You can find your brightness control over here, and then the adaptive brightness will be right over here as well. One more thing you can do is swipe down here, and if you don't have the brightness slider on your notification panel or the control panel, then in that case you want to go ahead and swipe down again and then tap on edit. Tap the pencil icon at the top. From there you want to go over to here and you can change the order of your uh, settings here, and if you don't see the brightness control, you can go over to panel settings at the top left. Then from there you can find this brightness control option. You could show this always or only when your quick panel is expanded. So if this happens, what happens is if I go back here and then tap on done, if I swipe down just once, I don't have the brightness control over here. To access it, I have to swipe down again for the quick access, and only then I can find my brightness control here. That's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one.